Here is the weather and drought outlook for July 20th, 2013. Here are the year-to-date precipitation numbers based on the percent of average for each basin from Saturday, July 20th. The graph shows how much precipitation has fallen this year in each basin compared to the average for this date. We have seen some relief the past few weeks due to the recent rain. The northern basins have seen slight increases since the middle of June, while the southern basins have seen 4 to 8% increases during this period. Here's an update of the U.S. Drought Monitor released on July 18th. Severe, as indicated by the orange, and extreme, as indicated by the red, drought conditions continue across the Grand Junction forecast area, with the worst conditions continuing across the Four Corners region. For the temperatures for the upcoming week, expect hot temperatures to continue into the first half of the work week, with temperatures approaching 100 degrees in the lower valleys of western Colorado and eastern Utah, as indicated by this slide, which shows the high temperatures for Tuesday. Temperatures will cool several degrees by the latter part of the work week as the moisture increases over the area. Here's a map showing the forecasted upper level winds at 500 millbar pressure level or an altitude of approximately 18,000 feet, with relative humidity greater than 70% as indicated by the green shading. By Wednesday, the axis of the ridge of high pressure will move east of our area, bringing increased moisture to the forecast area as indicated by the green shading and the black arrow. The moisture will remain over the forecast area into the weekend, with an increased chance of showers and thunderstorms. Here's a map showing the quantitative precipitation forecast through next Saturday, July 28th, showing moderate precipitation amounts by the end of the period. Expect a dry pattern through the first half of the work week, with monsoonal moisture increasing by the middle of the week, with a return of showers and thunderstorms later Wednesday through the weekend. So in summary, drier conditions through the first half of the work week with the best chance for showers and thunderstorms across the southern mountains. Hot temperatures through the middle of the week with a slight cooling trend later in the week. Moisture will increase on Wednesday as the ridge of high pressure shifts east of our area, bringing a return of monsoonal moisture. That concludes the weather and drought outlook for July 20th, 2013. For additional weather information and the latest forecasts and highlights, go to www.weather.gov/GJT.